In this video, we'll cover the Spend Category Recommendation for Purchase Orders feature. Powered by AI, this feature helps users create purchase orders faster and with fewer errors. When you create, edit, or revise a purchase order, you need to select the correct spend category for each item. This category is important for financial reporting and tracking your organization's spending. The Spend Category Recommendation feature uses machine learning to suggest the most likely spend categories for your purchase order line items. It can recommend up to 5 categories, which saves you time and reduces the risk of misclassification. The Workday model bases these recommendations on historical, approved supplier invoice data, looking at factors like the item description, supplier, company, cost center, and the requester's history. As you input information, like the item description and supplier, you'll notice the recommendations appear. This is where the AI feature shines. Instead of searching through a long list, you can simply select the best match from the recommendations. Let's review a new line item. This time, I'll enter a description for office desk chair with adjustable lumbar support. The recommendations change to reflect the new item. By choosing one of the top suggestions, you help ensure that your purchase order line item is assigned the most accurate spend category right away. This feature also works when you edit purchase order or revise purchase order, and even when you copy purchase order. Keep in mind that if you enter a new spend category that has never been used before, the system will need time to accumulate enough purchase order records before it can start recommending it. The model is also retrained weekly with fresh data to ensure the predictions are up to date. If you don't notice recommendations when you expect them, it may be because your organization is still meeting the required data thresholds. Workday requires at least 1 year of data, a minimum of 10,000 purchase order lines, and at least 10 unique spend categories to provide accurate predictions. By using the Spend Category Recommendation feature, you can leverage Workday AI to reduce manual effort, ensure data accuracy, and streamline your entire purchase order process.